So one of the things that I absolutely love about this project, it's not one thing, it's multiple things. This project has owned the details in a way that I think is worth showcasing. We already talked about the tray ceiling here, but the client even thought about having an extra profile here to add extra character to the tray ceiling. We could have very easily made this flat all the way across. Instead, they've chosen to accentuate this accent piece in a way with this extra rounded profile here, which I love. The floors are heated and insulated. We were very careful about how we insulated the walls to save as much space as possible in a small room like this, but also to just really give them a comfortable space in their basement. Again, Pittsburgh weather fluctuations, this basement is gonna be set for life. The bathroom is an awesome, awesome piece where they've added a ton of color. You've got orange in there, you've got some wild wallpaper. The curtain in the little powder room closet here matches the wallpaper perfectly. It's the exact same pattern. They've got a beautiful, rich color in the vanity. It's an awesome, awesome way to showcase some of the color here. The lights are all on a Lutron system, so everything here is customizable. And while I'm speaking about the light, I want to talk about this one right here. We've got this beautiful tray ceiling. We've got only one light that is actually in the ceiling itself, and it's off to the side here. A lot of times people choose to center it, but this is actually extremely intentional. We've got the TV on this wall here. The plan is to put a coffee table here and a couch right here. And so the location of the coffee table was planned before this coffee table is ever here. It was in the lighting plan so that we know that this is directly above where the coffee table is going to be. And it's those kinds of details that can make or break a project. And oftentimes those details are really what elevates a project from something that's like pretty cool to something that's truly excellent. Behind you guys here is this closet, and there's nothing fancy in the closet. This is a utility closet. The internet runs in here, but this closet actually lights up when the doors are open. The lights turn off when the doors close because there are switches hidden in the door jambs here that are pressure switches, and so when the doors are closed, lights are off, you open one door, the lights turn on, you open both doors, the lights stay on. The way that this client thought about the details and really spent a lot of time researching everything from the floors to the walls to the ceiling really makes this project truly something special.